All right, second part of the build is done. We've got the adjusted front bumper, Evo winch, got the Raptor lights, got the Prinsu rack, Baja lights up top, side LEDs for the camping. Went with the more solid RSGs sliders, which you can see in a second. We've already taken a few hits. Stayed with the same TRD Pro Wheels, but added Toytec lift. Got a overall 3-inch lift. Same in the rear. And then added additional tire. Went with this slightly adjusted rear rack here from Rigged, which is nice because I can actually still do bikes and they'll still swing. So you'll see as the hitch comes out, hitch goes out with it. So still got all the clearance, minor armor protection, but you'll notice here got the table, cutting board option. It's a nice solid top, table and slide out, so you get those nice features. And then from a rear standpoint, added the air, so we got our power tank, inflate tires when we get ready. With the Dometic cooler, got that wired dual battery system to keep that thing running, which is going well. And then you'll see from the rest of the ride, we can still see the sliders on this side. A few good dings on a nice Class 7. You can see the rest of the rack here with the side lights, Baja LEDs up top. Another shot at the front. And added a few items on the interior here, so I'll show you here. Added the SDHQ switch panel. So you can see this. So we got all of our controls, dual battery, left side camps, right side camps, grill bar, upper light bar, and then a couple of blanks that I'll fill in for back ambers that I want to get in the next round. And then gotta have the Pedal Pro, so you can see our pedal commander there. And then just see dual battery setup here. So mid room in the back here, battery, all the tight wiring running across the back there, additional battery, and then all the SDQ or all my Switch Pros connect up here for that panel. So pretty easy plug and play. Add to this, run off the box for direct power, and then control it all out of the front. So not bad for getting started. Look forward to getting the rest of the rack built out in the next round, but stage 1 and 2 are complete.